Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add pages to your PDF files in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded and installed, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, if you have not already, and from here go to the Adobe Acrobat section and get started with downloading the files. So once you've downloaded your files and installed the program, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the home page that you're greeted by. From there, we are going to go and be able to take a look at the recommended tools for you section. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the tools that are at our disposal. And now let's go and take a look at how to get started with adding new pages. So as you can see here, we are going to have the edit a PDF option that's going to enable us to modify or add our pages. And basically guys, this is a premium only tool, so keep in mind, as you can see, once you click on edit a PDF, it's going to show us why we need to upgrade, and this is not doable with the free version. So what you can do is go and take a look at all the plans to see which one fits you the most and upgrade to your premium plan. So this needs to be done if you wish to edit your PDFs with Adobe Acrobat, but once you've done that, it's going to be very easy. As you can see in this article right here on the official help Adobe website, we have a look at the article on how to get started with adding pages. So basically you're going to select the files and browse your device to upload the file you'd like to add the pages to, and click the plus button to choose where the next pages will be inserted. So it's going to look like this once you open up the edit section. So just click plus, get started with adding your new pages that you wish to save, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.